Good morning, student. Today, a very important topic in physiology is physiology of smell. Introduction. The sense of smell is called as olfaction. The brain receives information outside the body surface through sense organs. There are five sense organs which is present in our body: eyes, nose, ear, tongues, and skin. The sensitivity is also classified into two types: general and special. Difference between general and special types of sensitivities. In general sensitivities, their receptors are located throughout the body surface. Example: touch, pain, pressure, and temperature. In special sensitivities, the receptors are located at one place in a head, very close to the nervous system, are well protected within the skull. Example: smell, taste, hearing, and vision. In general sensitivities, the receptor get easily to stimulate by different stimuli and get response maximum to an adequate stimulus. But in special sensitivities, it is only response one types of stimulus. In general sensitivities, the receptor response is non-specific to different stimuli, but in special types of sensitivities, it is a response is more complex and coordinated with the CNS. Sense of smell olfaction. The rabbits and dogs are highly olfactory sense, which is called as a macronostic, and man and monkey apes has less olfactory sense, which is called as a micrometric. Olfactory sense, olfactory receptors. Look here the picture. This is a olfactory. This is a olfactory receptors, which is located in the roof of nasal cavity, and the total area of olfactory mucous membrane on the both sides is 500 meter per square. But in dog, the area is much larger. The sense of smells arising from the stimulation of receptors in yellowish brown olfactory mucous membrane, which is elongated, and in the upper end of the supporting cell, there are present in microvilli, which is secrete the mucous membrane, and in there is olfactive root, yeah, receptor cell, and the upper end of the olfactive rods, and there is finger-like projection is present 6 to 12 to each rods, which is called as a cilia. And this is a axon. It contains 10 to 20 million special sensory cells called as a receptor cells, which is a bipolar neuron, and the receptor cells lies between the supporting cells and dendrites. So dendrites extend as a nape process called as a olfactory rods, which end is connected to five cilia, 6 to 12 on each side, each on the road, end of road. The lifespan of receptor is 60 days and get replaced by proliferation of basal cell. The supporting cell and in microvilli which secrete the mucous membrane. Mucus and mucus is also secreted by the Bowell's capsule, Bowell's gland, sorry, and it just and is located just under the basal lamina of olfactory mucous membrane. It consists of phospholipid lecithin and their auto-oxidation product. It is necessary for smell. Look here at the picture. This is olfactory mucous membrane. It is a nasopharynx, and it is the upper part. It is the upper part of mouth heart plate, and this is a olfactory mucous membrane. This is located in olfactory bulb, olfactory nerve, and olfactory tract. This is a upper lip and nose. Head. This is superior, inferior, middle, and turbinate. Thank you.